Okay, we are drawing a scaled bar graph to show data in a table or from a picture graph. Let's read the story that is going on in our math pages.
Jordan took a survey of his classmates' favorite sports. He recorded the results in the table at the right. How can you show the results in a bar graph?
Okay, so you have favorite team sports tally table up there, right?
Yes.
Okay, you're using that information from the tally table and you're putting it in the bar graph. Now, we are going to make this bar graph by following the directions. And then you will probably have to make your own bar graphs on the show and share and on your own. So and on your homework. So let's make sure you understand what you're doing. Step 1, what do you have to do in step 1?
Write a title at the top to tell what the graph is about.
Okay, we'll stop there and let's write it. So write the title to tell what the graph is about. What are we going to write?
Favorite team sport.
Okay. Favorite team sport. Then what are we going to write? It says, next part. After it says to write the title, what does the next part of step 1 say?
Label the side of the graph to tell about the bar.
Okay, what is the side part going to say?
Soccer, basketball, baseball, football.
Okay, and what are all those things?
Sports.
The sports. So do you see how it has right here, right here, sport, yes? Okay, you're going to write that on the side right here, S-P-O-R-T-S, sports. And then you're going to write the 4 types of sports on the line. So you're going to write soccer, basketball, baseball, and football. Next, what does the third part of the first step say?
Label the bottom of the graph to explain what the numbers tell.
Okay, now, you can see that sports was over here on this side. Those are the labels and stuff. What's going to be the label on here? You can't write tally this time. Okay? What are those tally marks representing? What are they representing, Savannah? What kind of numbers? Numbers of what? Look at the story problem. Those tallies are numbers of... Quiet.
Team sport.
No, they're not number of sports. No, I just said not sports. Tanner?
Students.
Okay, number of students that voted. So it's number of votes. So you write number of votes on the very bottom line. This is how many students voted on these sports. Number of votes. Now we have to figure out, we have to figure out what we are counting by in our number line. So let's look at our tally tables. Guys, hands off your eyes. Look at your tally tables. How much does soccer have?
12.
How much does basketball have?
4.
How much does baseball have?
14.
How much does football have?
9.
into all of these, not counting by one. So what is your suggestion? What do you want to skip count by? Tyson? Bella? 2.
Yes.
2's can make 12, it can make 4, it can make 14. Now it can also make 9 if you put it in the half point between 13 and, or between,
11.
yes, 8 and 10. 8 and 10. Okay, now when we start a graph, we have to start with 0 because this first line right here, that's a 0. That means nothing. Okay? Then you skip count by 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. All right. Then we need to go to step 2. I guess that's kind of what we did. Choose numbers for the bottom of the graph so that most bars will end up on the line. Since the least number is 4 and the greatest number is 14, make the scale 0 to 16. Mark the scale by 2s. It was right there on our paper. Sorry, I thought that they wanted us to do that because it said explain what the numbers tell, but I guess it was just the label that they wanted us to do. Step 3. What does it say, guys?
Draw and shade the bar to show the number for each.
Okay, let's start with soccer. We need to make a bar that goes all the way to 12. So you are going to make a bar that goes all the way to 12. And then you need to shade it in. Then we're going to make the bar for basketball. How much is basketball?
4.
Now, if it's hard for you to find them, what you can do, guys, is you go to 4 and go up to the line. You can make the line on 4 and then make the 2 long bars to make the whole bar. If that would help you stay organized. And then you guys go ahead and do baseball and football on your own. Baseball is 14, we said, and football is 9, we said. Make sure they look like bars and not just sticks. Don't forget, when you are doing 9, there is no 9 on here for a line. So you have to go in between 2 numbers, and 9 is in between 8 and 10.
8 and 10. Yeah, I got it.
Okay, go to the next page when you have that done. It is now shine and show, so I will give you partners to make your own graphs. Then you will have to answer questions about those graphs.